Hello, hello. I got my FabFitFun box and I wanted to open it with you guys. My box is really big because it is almost Christmas and I ordered a lot of add-ons to give as gifts. So let's look at some of my add-ons first. I got these really cute animal masks. They, whoops, put a little face on you. While you put them on, they're just little sheet masks. I got a throw that has little cacti on it. I actually got 2 of those because I have nieces. And then I got this throw that has little llamas on it. Super cute. They look really, really soft. This is actually for me. It's Behave Aid. It's supposed to be a lip gloss that you can put on and it keeps your cravings away. So I thought maybe this would be good to have for the holidays with all that food around. And another thing of the sheet masks. So those are some of my add-ons. I actually ordered way more, but FedEx has lost my box. And I'm waiting for it to be found. Well, it's not totally lost. They had lost it, and now they found it, but I won't get it till December 2nd. But here's the FabFitFun box. It's got really cute art as usual. I like the wintry design. The lady with the dog. Building a snowman. Ice skating on the front and the back. It looks like this month it is in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement, which is really cool. My grandmother had Alzheimer's when she passed away. So that's actually something that's close to my family's heart. So we have our FabFitFun magazine, which will show us everything. Maria Shriver is the cover lady this month. Lots of coupons, discounts, crossword, which I love. Here is a coupon for the FabFitFun box that I can give to a friend. And a HelloFresh meal coupon. But here's the box. And as M. Schultz would say, let's crack into it. If you don't know who that is, ATWD podcast. All right, so let's open the box and see what we've got. Oh, okay, I'm excited. So we have sea salts, bath sea salts, natural Dead Sea bath salts. So just a little bath soak. The makeup eraser, erase all makeup with just water. So there's a makeup eraser cloth. Patent pending. Let's see. Let's open this baby up. It is my least favorite color, pink, but that's okay. So it's really soft. It feels kind of like a velvety material. It's kind of nice. Cruelty-free, vegan, don't use any wipes. Evidently it takes 100 years for a makeup wipe to break down. I had no idea. You wet it, you erase your makeup. There's, the side with the tag. So one side exfoliates and the other side erases. And you can wash it with hot water in your washing machine. That's pretty cool. I wish that I could smell these, but it's not a resealable bag, which makes me sad. I just had to go back to this for a second. All right, let's see what else we have. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. We can smell this one, though. Let's see. Oh, that smells really nice. It's kind of like a earthy lavender smell, but it does kind of smell like salt, too. This actually smells really nice. I'm excited to use this. I love lavender. It's my favorite smell. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. Actually, I kind of got this to try it out on my son. He has long hair that gets tangled a lot because he's 8. And I'm going to try it on him first. Oh, it's a primer by Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. I love primers. I have kind of a primer addiction. So this should be fun. It's actually kind of pretty. And it has a dropper. Let's see. Oh, it's got kind of a floral note to it with the smell. And I just put a little drop on. It's really smooth and soft. Although priming your hand doesn't really do a whole lot. All right. And then we have Lashes MD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner. So it's supposed to help make your lashes, look better, thicker. I've got perfect eyebrows, so I'm not worried about those. Just kidding. The Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I picked this one to give as a gift because I have so many palettes that it's ridiculous, but let's take a look and see. Oh, look how pretty those colors are. Rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, mango pudding, spiced caramel, butterscotched, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. I want to know, how do you say caramel? Caramel or caramel? I don't know. But that's a really pretty palette. Let's see. And this one does not say... Oh, it is vegan friendly. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So that's always good for it to be vegan friendly. And then I'm saving this for last because I'm really, really excited. There's a hat with a little pom-pom on it, which is cute. I love black and gray. And then these really cool hand and arm warmers. I like these because I can wear them while I'm typing at school. They're really great. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that was my FabFitFun box. Hat, arm warmers, really nice palette. The sea salts, Calm and Clean body and hand wash. We've got the soft glow drops, which are nice and kind of a florally smell. Prep Rally hair detangler, Lashes MD, and then this sweet pink makeup eraser. The packaging on this is cute. It reminds me of those old school erasers. I'm sure that's what they were going for, but that's what it reminds me of. Oh, and of course, my add-ons, my plushes, my Will Behave, and the cute little animal masks. So thank you so much for opening my box with me. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did, and we'll see you for the next box.